Complete the up to question number 12 of miscellaneous exercise. So 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, these 4 questions are left for this chapter. Now I'm taking the question number 13. In a survey of 600 students in a school, 150 students were found to be taking tea and 225 taking coffee. ठीक है, जो टी को लेने वाले जो कैंडिडेट हैं, टी को मैंने टी से इंडिकेट कर दिया है. These are 150 students. And the students who are taking coffee, these are 225. Hundred were taking tea as well as coffee. दोनों लेने वाले जो है टी इंटरसेक्शन टी सी equal to these are the 100 students. Find how many students were taking neither tea nor coffee. So first of all, we will try to find out the value of N T union C. These are these students will be either taking tea or coffee, which is equal to, as we have done yesterday also, NT plus NC minus NT intersection C. The student who was taking tea, the value of NT is equal to 150, value of NC is equal to 225, or T intersection C is equal to 100. ठीक है, if we add 225, 50, 275, 375. Out of 375, we have taken 100, so 275. ठीक है, this is the value, this is the strength of the student who was taking either tea or coffee. But we have to find out the value of the student, number of student, strength of student who does not take either coffee or tea. यानी कि we have to find out the complement of this union, T union C complement. So for finding this one, ठीक है, complement is equal to, we subtract the total universal set, जो strength है universal set की, उसमें से हम ये माइनस कर देंगे T union C. What is the number of total students? These were 600. Total students were 600 minus 275. If we subtract, ठीक है, 325 is the strength of students. Those are not taking either tea or coffee. So first of all, we have calculated the value of N T union C, then complement of T union C. ठीक है, it was a simple question as we have done in the exercise 1.6. It is, but this complement we have not calculated earlier. So now we are taking the next question, that was 14. In a group of students, 100 students know Hindi. 100 students knows Hindi. ठीक है, 100 students know Hindi, 50 know English. तो English के लिए I am just using the first letter of English. 50 students and 25 know both. यानी कि तो दोनों दोनों को नो करते हैं. These were the students 50 और 25, this time 25. each of the student know either in Hindi or English how many students are in the group. मतलब सारे स्टूडेंट ऐसे हैं आइदर नो हिंदी और इंग्लिश, तो वी हैव टू नो द। यहाँ पे क्या था, यहाँ पे कुछ स्टूडेंट ऐसे थे जो कि टी भी लाइक नहीं कर रहे थे और कॉफी भी लाइक नहीं कर रहे थे, बट इट इज नॉट लाइक दैट हेयर। एवरी स्टूडेंट लाइक नो आइदर हिंदी और इंग्लिश। ठीक है, तो वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द टोटल स्ट्रेंथ, so that will be equal to n H union E. So what will be the value of H union E? So n minus n H intersection E. So what is the value of NH? NH is equal to 100 plus 50 minus 1. 125 is the total strength. ठीक है, they have asked you to see again group of students. ठीक है, ग्रुप ऑफ स्टूडेंट में क्या है, स्टूडेंट हिंदी, तो 100 स्टूडेंट यहाँ नोट डाउन हिंदी, and 50 know English, so 50 students know English, and 25 like both. ठीक है, so we have to find out the total strength. The total strength, because every student knows either Hindi or English, so union will be the total strength. The total strength that we have calculated here, NH union E, by using the formula, the total strength comes 125. ठीक है, so 14 question is comparatively more easy. ठीक है, now we just take the question number 15. तो बेटा क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 में क्या है, इन सर्वे ऑफ 60 पीपल it is found that 25 pupils read newspaper H, 26 read newspaper T, 26 read newspaper I, 9 read both H and I, 11 read both H and T, 8 read T and I, 3 read all 3 newspapers. Find the number of pupils who read at least one of the newspaper, the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. ठीक है, इसको जो बेटर बेटर सिंप्लीफाई करना बहुत मुश्किल है, इसको वेन डायग्राम से वी कैन सॉल्व इजीली। बस वी यूज द इन ए सर्वे ऑफ 60 पीपल, तो टोटल जो है आपके 60 पीपल हैं, तो वी आर नोट डाउन द डाटा। फिर क्या है, 25 पीपल रीड न्यूज़पेपर एज 25, फिर 26 रीड न्यूज़पेपर टी, and 9 read, sorry, 26 also read newspaper I, both H and I, H and I, 9 read, ठीक है, ये 9 है। फिर है आपका 11 read H and T, H and T 11। फिर क्या है आपका 8 read T and I, T and I। After that है 3 read all 3 newspaper, T intersection H intersection I, 3 read all the newspaper। ठीक है, just we have note down the given data. Now we are using this Venn diagram. ठीक है, there are 3 newspaper, we are making 3 circles, ठीक है. After making, there are three newspaper. We are indicating this one. Suppose H, this is T, this is I. First of all, you start the intersection of all the three newspapers. The intersection is 3. Okay, which is common to all the circles. This is the portion which is common all the three circles. So we have taken the intersection of all the three circles. The three newspaper is 3 as an element which is common to all the newspaper. Okay. After that, you can take 2 by 2. The H intersection I is equal to I 9. So H or I intersection 9 है, so 3 we have already taken. So remaining 6 we will take here. So total intersection will be 9. But ठीक है, 3 will be the common to all the three circles. Okay. H intersection I will be 9. 6 plus 3 9. In the same way, H intersection T. H intersection T is equal to 11. So H intersection T में 11 है, तो 3 we have taken already. So here we can take 8 elements. ठीक है. Now you are observing that total is 8 plus 3 11 हो जाएगा. T intersection H intersection T 11. ठीक है. Now you see T intersection I. T intersection I is equal to 8. So 3 we have already taken. 5 you can take here. 5 और 3 ये 8 हो गया. तो इस तरीके से फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी insert the value which is common to all the three newspaper. Then we take 2 by 2. है ना? We are taking the intersection of two sides. Then we have taken. Now we will consider the whole side. First you come to the H. जो H newspaper है, there are total cells is 25. So out of 25, we have taken 6, 3, 9, 9 or 8, 17. 17, 8 is the person who are studying only newspaper H. They are not involving in other newspaper. Similarly, T newspaper is reading 26. So 8, 3 or 5, 8, 8 or 8, 16, 16 or 10, 26. Similarly, I is 26, 6 or 3, 9, 9 or 5, 14, 14 or 12, 26. So we have put the all values, all data which they have given you in the question. Okay, now we can give the answer of every question. We know that only reading the Hindi newspaper H is 8 and T 10, 12 is I. Okay, what is the question? The science the first part is the number of people who read at least one of the newspaper. अच्छा, ये पूछा है इन्होंने जो कि at least one newspaper को read करने वाले हैं. How many are there? So you can just add all the sum. So 8 और 8 16, 16 और 3 19, 19 और 6 25. तो 25 तो ये वही वाला पोर्शन हो गया जो कि H का था. 25 और 5 30, 30 और 10 40, 40 और 10 52. तो 52 जो है, these are the total stands those read the newspaper either H or T or I. ठीक है. तो टोटल जो है यूनियन वो 60 है. तो 60 में से है ना जो आपके जो 8 है, they are some percent those are not reading any newspaper. So we have not including in any circle. ठीक है, because they are not reading any newspaper. So 52 is the stand. Total stand those are reading the newspaper either H, ठीक है, or T or I. The second part is the number of people who read exactly one newspaper. So exactly reading the one newspaper, these are how many? 8. है ना? 8 plus 10 plus 12. यानी कि 12 और 8 20 और 10 30. तो 30% ऐसे हैं जो कि दे आर रीडिंग ओनली न्यूज़पेपर वन, एक्जैक्टली वन न्यूज़पेपर, है ना? Okay, as we take the data in common portion, the basin will be involve either 2 or 3 newspapers. So we are taking only the data which is involving only one newspaper, ठीक है, which is not common to anyone. So 30% are reading exactly one newspaper and 52 reading either one of the newspaper. ठीक है. So this is the data you can solve by putting the all values, okay, by using the Venn diagram. If you do not use the Venn diagram, then we have to use some more formulas. But you have not, the other formulas are not giving your book, so you can use only these formulas. You will not be able to remember that much. Okay, so it is better you use the Venn diagram. So this method is also included in your syllabus. So you can solve this type of question by using Venn diagram. Now let's see the next last question also, that is 16.1. First of all, we will write the all data whatever they have given you. In a survey, it was found that 21 people liked product A. So choose 21 like product A and 26 like product B. 26 like product B and 29 like product C. If 14 people like product A and B, 14 like product A and B, and then 12 like product C and A, and 14 like product B and C, and 8 liked all the products. ठीक है, 8 liked all the 3 products. The intersection of all the 3 sets, A intersection B intersection C equal to 8. So these data we have collected by given question. Okay. Now we are using the same method by we are using the Venn diagram and making 3 circles because there are 3 products A, B, C. Okay. Now we are putting the name A, B, and C. So whatever we have done in the last question, first of all, we have started with all the intersection of 3. The same way we are studying the intersection of set, that is 8. Now you come to the intersection of 2 sets, A intersection B is equal to 14. 8 of that become 14. For A intersection C, 12. So 8 we have for B intersection C, 14. So C we have taken 8 here. तो 14 के लिए we can take 6 here. ठीक है. So we have completed that portion which is common either in 2 circles or in 3 circles. After that, we will come to the find the value of set A. So 21 is total assigned. So 8 for 12, 12 6, 18, 18 plus 3, 21. B, the total assigned 26. So 6, 6, 12, 12 or 20, 26. And C, 29, 8 or 4, 12, 12 or 6, 18, 18 or 1, 29. So now we get the value, okay, which lies product A only, that is 3, B only, that is 6, or C only, that is 11. They have asked you question, how many percent like product C? So only 11 person like product C. ठीक है, इसको दोबारा आप चेक कर लो। देखो उन्होंने क्वेश्चन में ये गिवन था ए बी सी देयर वर 3 प्रोडक्ट, ठीक है, तो उनका इंटरसेक्शन गिवन था 50 का, ए इंटरसेक्शन बी, ए इंटरसेक्शन सी, बी इंटरसेक्शन सी, and intersection of three sets is also given. So first of all, we will start from the intersection of all the three sets. Then we complete the common of A intersection B, then A intersection C, then B intersection C. Then we complete the set A, set B, set C. So we get the complete information. We can give the answer whatever is we needed. Okay. Here the complete information is here. So 11% are like product C. ठीक है, this was the question, how many person like product C only. तो C only है, तो only word यूज किया गया है। तो वैसे अगर हम C का पूछेंगे तो C का तो टोटल तो 29 है, मगर C only, those are not liking other product, these are the person 11. तो बेटा I have completed this chapter, that is a side, ठीक है, so you just complete this one. Now we are taking the next chapter, that is the relation and function. What is relation and function? ठीक है, I will discuss it later. Just grab the board. बेटा relation and function. तो relation क्या है? Relation is a subset of Cartesian product of A और B. ठीक है, दो साइड में आपस में भी मेक द रिलेशन, दैट इज नॉट एज द, ठीक है, बट इज कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ ए क्रॉस बी। ए क्रॉस बी का मतलब है दे आर टू साइड, ठीक है, सपोज करो सेट ए है, एक के एलिमेंट है 1 2 क्रॉस और इसके एलिमेंट है ए बी सी सम, सपोज करो। इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ सेट ए क्रॉस बी, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ए क्रॉस बी का मतलब है, ए क्रॉस बी का मतलब है जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट है, we have to make the ordered pairs A B such that A belongs to A and B belongs to B. This is the definition of Cartesian product of A cross B. So A cross B में you are taking first element from set A and second element from set B. जैसे I have taken this one is set A, this is set B. So it means the Cartesian product क्या होगा? Cartesian product we have to form the ordered pair 1A, 1B, 1C. Similarly 2A, 2B, 2C. This is the Cartesian product of A cross B. दोबारा देखो, फर्स्ट A क्रॉस B का मतलब है it is the Cartesian product of set A and B. It is defined such that it is the ordered pair, ठीक है, such that जैसे हम coordinate geometry में we have used in 10th class, ठीक है, first coordinate belongs to x, second is from So first I will take from set B, then it becomes A1, ठीक है, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. So you are observing that 1A is not equal to A1. ठीक है, अगर हम कोई भी ऑर्डर पेयर इक्वल रखते हैं, ए बी इक्वल रखा है हमने, सपोज करो एक्स वाई पे, इट विल मीन दैट फर्स्ट कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल एलिमेंट सॉरी विल बी इक्वल, ए इक्वल टू एक्स, बी इक्वल टू 1. अगर कोई ऑर्डर पेयर इक्वल होता है तो इक्वल होने का मतलब है कि फर्स्ट एलिमेंट फर्स्ट के इक्वल होगा एंड सेकंड एलिमेंट सेकंड के इक्वल. तो यहाँ पर क्या है, वी हैव डिफाइंड ए क्रॉस बी इज 1 comma a, 1 comma a is not equal to a comma b. So you are observing that a cross b generally is not equal to b cross b. ठीक है, a cross b is the Cartesian product of set a pair a b such that a belongs to a and b belongs to b. So first of all, we have to confirm that what is the Cartesian product of set A cross B. Or if you get the A cross B clear, then we come to the relation. है ना, relation क्या है? Relation is a subset of A cross B. तो इसके there how many terms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. यानी कि number of subsets are possible to the power 6, यानी कि 64. तो 64 सबसेट इसके पॉसिबल हो जाएंगे. कैसे? We can take 1 is the empty set, or we can take one term 6 set. So you can make the combination of 2, then you can make the combination of 3, then you can make the combination of 4, then 5, then 6. 6 the whole term. So you can make the 64 subset of this Cartesian product of A cross B. So out of 64, you can take any subset. Out of 64 terms, you can take only one term, one element, okay? Then it is called the relation. Relation is a subset of A cross B. So first of all, then we will discuss to the next topic, that is the relation. So relation I have just introduced you, but exercise, in first exercise, they have given you the question which is related to the Cartesian product. As I have told you, two ordered pair are equal, to corresponding element must be equal. ठीक है, now let us start the exercise 2.1. देखो बेटा, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है x/3 + 1 y - 2/3 equal to 5/3 1/3. ठीक है, टू ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. ठीक है, they have given me left hand side is one ordered pair and right hand side one ordered pair. We have to find out the value of x and y. As I have told you, if two ordered pair are equal to 3, this implies x/3 + 1 equal to 5/3. It means x/3 equal to 5/3 - 1, यानी कि x/3 is equal to 2/3. You can cancel 3 to 3, x is equal to 2. Similarly, ठीक है, as I have done, so second part will be also equal, y - 2/3 equal to 1/3. यानी कि y इक्वल टू कितना हो जाएगा, 1/3 + 2/3, दैट इज y इक्वल टू कितना हो गया, 3/3, यानी कि 1. So x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 1 is the solution of the first question. ठीक है, इस तरह से हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन किया है। अब देखो सेकंड क्वेश्चन में क्या है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है, इफ द सेट ए हैज 3 एलिमेंट, ठीक है, कोई सेट है, देन इट हैज 3 एलिमेंट, एंड सेट बी में set B they have given you the elements are 3 4 5, then find the number of element in A cross B। नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट बताने हैं आपको एन ए क्रॉस बी में, ठीक है। तो देखो बेटे ये फॉर्मूला है, ये मेथड है, इसके अंदर 3 एलिमेंट है, 3 इसके अंदर एलिमेंट है। तो नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट जैसे हमने उसमें करके दिखाया था, एक में 3 लिए थे, उसमें 2 लिए थे, तो उसमें जो टोटल एलिमेंट आएंगे दैट विल बी द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स फर्स्ट सेट एंड नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स सेकंड सेट इनटू एन। इसके अंदर भी ठीक है सर, ठीक है। तो एन ए क्रॉस बी के अंदर जो है आपके 9 एलिमेंट्स हो जाते हैं। तो हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट, ठीक है, इन ए क्रॉस बी। तो ए क्रॉस बी के अंदर जो है नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट दैट विल बी 9, ठीक है। चलिए क्वेश्चन नंबर हम थर्ड की बात कर लेते हैं, थर्ड तक कंप्लीट कर लेते हैं, उसके बाद फोर्थ वी विल डिस्कस लेटर। देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड है आपका। तो जी दे हैव गिवन यू जी इक्वल टू 7, 8 at 5 4 2, 5 4 2, ठीक है। वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ जी क्रॉस एच। तो जी क्रॉस एच के लिए वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ जी क्रॉस एच। दिस मीन्स फर्स्ट एलिमेंट वी हैव टू टेक from set B and second element we have to take from H. So here the space is less, so I am just removing this one. So G cross H we are calculating G cross H. G cross H का मतलब first element you have to take from set B and second from H. So 7 5 जैसे as we have done earlier, 7 5 7 4 7 2, ठीक है। और 8 5 8 4 8 2। इसी तरीके से सिमिलरली वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एच क्रॉस बी। एच क्रॉस का मतलब है फर्स्ट एलिमेंट वी हैव टू टेक फ्रॉम सेट एच, इट बिकम्स, ठीक है, 5 5 7 5 8, ठीक है, 4 7 4 8 एंड 2 7 2 8, ठीक है। बोथ जी क्रॉस एच एंड एच क्रॉस बी, तो ऑर्डर पेयर गेट इंटरचेंज, है ना। 5 7 5 का क्या हो जाता है 5 7, 8 5 का क्या हो जाता है 5 8। तो सिर्फ जो है ना दोनों ही साइड मगर इक्वल नहीं है, जी क्रॉस एच इज नॉट इक्वल टू एच क्रॉस बी, बट नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट विल बी सेम। नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट विल बी हाउ मेनी एलिमेंट देयर आर 6, here also 6, because it depend on the product of the element of set B and set H. The product of two numbers will remain same, it is commutative. So 3 into 2 कर लीजिए या 2 into 3 कर लीजिए, that you will get the same answer. So you can complete now up to question number third I have done, ठीक है। So remaining question we will discuss in next. You have a nice day.